What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nathan and I cover a lot of content on dropshipping, e-commerce, and just how to make money online in general. And so a lot of people lately have been asking me how they can start Shopify dropshipping with absolutely $0. And so today I'm presenting to you the top 2 methods to get started with getting sales right away on your Shopify dropshipping store with $0 to your name. Before we get started here, I just want to say thank you guys so much. You guys have been blowing up my channel. You guys have been blowing up my DMs. It's just absolutely crazy, and I want to start giving back to you guys. So every single week, I'm going to be giving away 1 free consulting call for an hour with me privately. And so all you have to do to enter in this is to just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. At the beginning of every video, I will announce who the winner is going forward. And so if you're looking to hop on a call with me privately, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. So steps 1 and 2 are going to be the same for both methods that I will be covering in this video. So the first thing, so step number 1, you want to obviously have your product chosen. Now this is the product you're going to be selling on your Shopify store, and for me, I like to look for products that are relatively low in price. And this is because when you're doing this influencer model that I'll later get into, basically having a lower price product can help you so much in the beginning, and we will address that later. But as you can see here, I've loaded up Ecom Hunt. So this is a product research tool that I frequently use, and I'll have that link down below if you guys are interested. And so as you can see, there's tons of products that are posted every single day on here, and this one here just caught my eye. It's a DIY sushi maker. So for example, I'll go into this product, I hit show me the money, and right away, I can download all these high quality images, have this full description of the product here, and then I can see the average selling price, the average product cost, all that good stuff, and then here the saturation inspector. So this is really important because once you have your product chosen out, you want to make sure, of course, you do some competitor research on your product. You want to see what the other competitors in the market are selling it for. And there's a number of different ways you can do this. But basically, for the gist of this video, I'm going to show you guys a couple different methods. And so the first one here is just using this saturation inspector on Ecom Hunt. And you can actually press this button here that says hunt these stores. So this allows you to see all of the different stores that are selling this product, and you can go in and view all of their websites. And for example, they're all listed here. There's 44 stores. Now, the next method that I like to do is I like to go on Google and I like to just say sushimaker.myshopify.com. And so instantly you're going to get a bunch of pages, other Shopify dropshipping pages likely, that are selling this product. So for example, YouGotToHaveThis.com is selling some sort of a sushi maker here. So you can come on their website and you can see kind of what price they're selling it at, what images they're using, all that good stuff. And you want to make sure you do your competitor research very thoroughly before you go and get started with the store. Now, step number 2, once you have your product and market chosen out, you want to obviously build your Shopify store and start setting up the front end of things. So all you got to do for that, again, come on Shopify here and then enter your email address. You'll get a free 14-day trial. So again, you're paying $0 to get started. And in these 14 days, you'll see if you can get some sales before you actually have to reinvest and continue to buy your Shopify store. Now, I'm not going to go over store creation in this video because I made an entire other video covering everything from A to Z on how to set up a high converting Shopify store. And I'll link that for you guys somewhere up here, somewhere around in this video. And you guys can click through to that if you want to see exactly how to set up your own store. Okay, so now that you have your product picked out and your store designed, the next step is to head over to the Shopify App Store and search up affiliate. You're going to get all these options. I know your Reversion is a really popular one. Growth Hero is pretty good. There's a bunch of different affiliate marketing apps, but essentially I use Ecom app because there is a free plan. It's 100% free, and it's just a great application to get started with absolutely no money at all. And so as you can see, I actually use Affiliate by Ecom app, or Ecom app, or whatever the heck it's called. I don't even know. But anyways, it does a really good job. And as you can see, it installs this page to your website right away. And you can go ahead and choose out the commission that you want your affiliates to be making. So for example, I've chosen 20% commission on all sales. So every time we have someone head over to the website, fill out their information here and join, they're going to get access to their unique link in which they can send to people And as long as people click through and make a purchase, they're going to receive that 20% commission on all sales. And you can actually take that one step further, and inside of the Ecom app dashboard, you can actually add a custom discount code. So if you've ever seen like an Instagram influencer say, use my code for 10% off, that will essentially be the same thing, except you'll be saving 20% off, and they can either click through the link or use the code to get the discount. So Ecom app is an excellent way, to bring in a ton of extra revenue in an automated fashion, especially as you're building your store. And this doesn't have to be specific for, starting with $0. You can also add this to your store that you're also using paid advertising methods with, such that I did here, to bring in extra revenue for your store. And so this is the first method here, but basically, if we're not running paid ads, how are we going to drive traffic, and how are we going to get people to sign up as affiliates and start bringing in new customers? Well, that is what Instagram is for. And so I will frequently use Instagram, and I will find people in the niche looking to buy, products like this, and I will offer them to join the affiliate program. So for example, going back to the fact that we were selling a DIY sushi maker, what we'll do is we'll look through tons of different foodie type pages on Instagram, and we'll look at the people following those pages. Obviously, those people have some sort of interest in these type of cooking gadgets, that type of stuff. And so we're going to go through, we're going to follow all of those people, and we're also going to start messaging them, asking them if they want to join the affiliate program, and then sending them over to the link on our website. And a great part about this as well is that they might also buy your product in doing so. So in a sense, you're also getting free marketing, and you're getting affiliate to sign up and potentially promote your product even further. Now, on top of this, if you find some bigger influencers, maybe anyone in the 10 to 100K range, you can then go ahead and send them a little bit of a longer message in the DM, or hit them on their professional business email if they have that linked in their bio. And this can be another way to get bigger people on board as affiliates, and really just push the fact that they'll be making a lot of money with every single sale that they're bringing in. And I typically use a short script like this. If you guys want access to my scripts, I will put them in my Facebook group. So join up on my Facebook group. It's linked down below. I have tons of stuff in there. I also have a full winning product list in there that I update every single day. So don't forget to join that group. I will also post scripts in there and tons of free resources for you guys to access. Now, marketing strategy or method number 2 is very similar. It involves us using that same Ecom app or another affiliate application, except now what we're doing when we're messaging these people on Instagram is we're offering them 50% off all of our products on our website. So for example, if we have the DIY sushi maker, if we have other cooking gadgets, these people are already interested in these products, so we're offering them a big discount in which they can buy the products, and we're still going to remain profitable as long as you're getting your cost of goods for well below that. We are still going to make profit on all of these sales, and for the people who actually do buy your product at 50% off, in exchange, all you're asking for is that they join the affiliate program and they go ahead and start promoting your product right away to other people. And this method also works really well because not only are you making profit right off the bat off of these people ordering, but once they order their product, they're actually going to have it in their hands, and chances are they're going to post it a lot more. They're going to share it with all their friends. It's going to be a lot of word of mouth between their family and that sort of thing as well. So this method is exceptional for getting started because you can get sales rolling in right away, be making profits, and the more and more sales you bring in, the more and more people that you talk to, later on the more sales you're going to make because they're going to refer to their friends and their families, everyone in their social networks. So this is just an excellent method. And now I'm going to throw in one more secret method. So this is method number 3. If you guys have made it this far in the video, this method has been working very well for a lot of people, and it is relatively new. So essentially all you're going to want to do with this is you're going to want to hop onto TikTok, make an account for your business, and basically you're going to keep posting videos. If you have the product in hand, great. If you don't, you can post about your affiliate program. So you can do 2 things. You can post about your affiliate program and all the money you can make from it, which will entice people who watch that video to join the affiliate program and start promoting your product to potentially, make some extra income for themselves. And on top of that, you can also just strictly promote your product, especially if it's a really cool product and has a wow factor to it. The algorithm on TikTok will probably bring it in a lot of views, and from there, so many eyes on your product, well, that's just free traffic. That's free marketing, and nothing really beats that. So that method number 3 right there is something that you can do instantly. And the way that TikTok's algorithm works is it promotes the rapid growth of a channel, or it promotes the rapid growth of a video. So you might just get lucky if you consistently post these videos about your company, and it might go off to 1 million, 2 million views, and then the amount of sales you'll be making from no upfront cost, from no paid advertising, will just be ridiculous. So that's why I highly recommend method number 3 as well. If you do all method number 1, 2, and method number 3, I can personally guarantee you that if you work at it, you'll definitely be seeing some results in your Shopify store with $0 invested. Now, if you're listening to these 3 different methods, you may be thinking, okay, well, what about the domain and the Shopify plan? Well, what I have to say to that is, you have your 14-day free trial, so you can get sales, you can get the ball rolling within 14 days and use that money to reinvest in the Shopify plan as well as your domain. Because don't forget, when you sign up for this 14-day free trial, you also get a free .my Shopify domain. And it's not ideal, it doesn't look professional, but you can still use it in the beginning to get affiliates, to get sales, to do whatever you want. And then once you start making those sales, then of course I would highly recommend reinvesting in a professional.com domain, even if it's just a few dollars from GoDaddy, reinvesting into your Shopify plan, of course, and then any other monthly apps that you want to increase revenue and all that good stuff. But that's basically all I got for you guys today for this video. I hope you guys took something very, very valuable out of that video. I thought these methods can be an excellent way to get started with absolutely no money, and I've personally used them myself. And I just want to thank you guys so much for making it this far in the video, as well as for showing me overwhelming support over the past few weeks. It's absolutely crazy how fast I'm growing on this platform. And if you guys haven't already, please check out my Facebook group. I'm going to have it linked down below. And in there, I'm going to have winning product lists for you guys. I'm going to have the Instagram influencer scripts from today's video for you guys. I'm just going to have tons and tons of free value on there. I'm also giving away tons of free consulting calls with me personally in that Facebook group. So go check that out, as well as please subscribe to the channel. Please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. And I can't wait to see you next week.